Want to impress your followers with great on-the-go video content? Then check out today's digest. From gimbals to compact cameras, these gadgets create stunning footage. Whether you film workout videos at the beach or a travel vlog in countries around the globe, you need high-quality videography gear that's portable. As luck would have it, that's exactly what we're rounding up today. Check out the coolest mobile filmmaking gadgets you can buy to improve your content. Inspire others with your work when you add the Nikon Z34K camera to your creative setup. Created specifically for creators, vloggers, and streamers, it features crisp 4K video and crystal clear audio. Meanwhile, it has all the features you need for creating amazing content, like a front-facing screen. It also has autofocus that tracks eyes. So yes, you and your subject will always appear focused on the camera. Then, for that professional look, the background blurs and details seem vivid even in low light. And for competitive live streamers, you can rely on the full HD 60p and 4K 30 video quality. It also works well with web conferencing applications. What's more, if you want to zero in on a product, the focus automatically repositions when you hold something close to the camera. Finally, this camera is simple to use with convenient shortcuts and an auto mode. Lighten up your space and face with the Elgato Key Light Mini portable LED panel for streaming. Designed for everything from streaming to video conferencing and gaming to YouTubing, it delivers up to 800 lumens. In fact, it boasts 2900 to 7000K with a bright yet completely dimmable light. You can even adjust the color anywhere from sunset amber to arctic blue. With a compact design, it has a rechargeable battery that provides up to 4 hours of light when used at 50% brightness. Compatible with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, PCs, Macs, iPhones, and Android smartphones, it works at just about everything. Moreover, this compact LED panel has both onboard controls and a connected app for easy control. Draw inspiration from imagery with the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition action camera. It features two 1-inch CMOS sensors, making it capable of shooting stunning 6 Kelvin 360-degree footage and 21 MP photos. In fact, the sensors deliver an impressive dynamic range from dusk through dawn, showing all shadows and highlights. This camera also presents the world in true-to-life color and incredible details. Moreover, the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition allows you to capture footage anywhere and everywhere thanks to its portable design. Best of all, panoramic 360 capture technology helps to make third-person views possible, eliminating the need for selfie sticks. Meanwhile, flow state stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms produce smooth and level footage every time. Finally, AI technology and auto exposure allow you to increase the dynamic range of your shots. Get the perfect shot anywhere, anytime with Trixo Slider compact camera slider. Boasting a 3-axis motion control system, this robust gadget lets you create multi-point timelines. Moreover, it also has a pan and tilt module that you can connect instantly with the Trixo Motion app. Ideal for video content creators, it has a beltless mechanism with 50-micron sensitivity, so you don't have to deal with vibrations, jumps, or other annoying effects. Providing super smooth shots, it offers horizontal, vertical, and incline operations with up to 6 hours of battery life. Moreover, Trixo Slider fits in nearly any bag or backpack, so you have it wherever you want to go. In fact, it also works without a phone. Simply program it via the display and buttons and move it by hand. Furthermore, it always syncs with the mobile app, letting you save, share, and play your favorite programmed movements whenever you want. Add Emmy-winning tech to your vlogs, films, live streams, and more with the GoPro Hero 10 Black Creator Edition Video Kit. It boasts hyper-smooth 4.0 video stabilization, which won a 2021 Technology and Engineering Emmy Award for camera sensor and software stabilization. It keeps your footage smooth even during active shots. What's more, the ultra-sharp 5.3K video resolution on the Hero 10 camera adds a professional look to your videography. Meanwhile, the versatile Volta battery grip features a built-in tripod and wireless remote. It even has buttons for one-handed control and offers extended battery power. You can prioritize sound in front of the camera or behind it in terms of audio. Then, wind reduction allows dialogue and commentary to come through clearly. Finally, the wide LED light provides crisp footage and a professional look. Free up your hands while creating with the PowerVision S1 folding smartphone gimbal. This highly portable 3-axis gimbal has an intelligent mounting system with its integrated tripod. It responds to gestures and provides AI tracking. That way, you're always in the center during live streams, conference calls, and more. Then, the convenient folding mechanism reduces this gimbal to just 142 millimeters in length, so it fits easily in a bag or purse. It also weighs just 298 grams, so you can carry it anywhere. Meanwhile, the magnetic ecosystem connects to your smartphone in 3 ways, and the in-app features include editing, background music, templates, and more. Best of all, the Power Follow feature allows you to stream to all major platforms during filming. Finally, this content creation gadget even has a wireless charging bank, so you'll never have to stop filming due to a dying battery. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.